Starting to invest can feel confusing, but don't worry, there are some simple, beginner-friendly options that can help you grow your money safely. So whether you have a small or large amount to invest, there's a great option for you. So let's take a look at the best investment choices for beginners. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are 5 excellent options to get you started. First one is index funds. These are easy to invest in and allow you to own a small part of many companies, which spread out the risk. Okay, they're not all going to go down at the same time, hopefully. ETFs, exchange traded funds. Second one, similar to index funds, but you can trade them like individual stocks. So they're a low cost, simple way to diversify your investments. You also have Robo-Advisors. These automated platforms help you to manage your investments based on your goals, making it easier for beginners to get started. You also have high yield savings accounts. So basically it's a very safe option that lets you grow your money with a small but steady interest rate. You also have stocks of stable companies. So if you prefer individual stocks, starting with big stable companies can be a safe entry point. You also have, by the way, starting with these beginner-friendly options can help you build a solid foundation for your investment journey, okay? So now is the perfect time to get started. Leave me a like if you like this video. I love you.